Izzati.
I'm Fatiha.
I'm Hatim.
I'm Aiyanie.
I'm Shahrizan.
And we are the Brain Detectives.
Hey Brain, yesterday Mr. FAD1008 asked us to help him to identify compound A, B, C, and D, which are isomers to each other, with a molecular formula C8H10O and contain a benzene ring. Hence, all detectives, let's get into it.
There are 19 structural isomers for C8H10O, and we should only give the best molecules that fit the description given.
The first hit was given when a piece of sodium metal was added into the compound A and compound B, also compound C, in a test tube in a room temperature. It showed that only compound C was released the hydrogen gas, and we also know its compound
C
either be a phenol or an alcohol.
Furthermore, the description of the compound C was given as hydrogenation of the benzene ring in the compound C by using a catalyst produce saturated alcohol that has no stereogenic carbon.
With that information, we came up with the idea that the compound C could be 4-ethylphenol, 4-methylphenylmethanol, and 2-phenylethanol.
Moving on to compound A and compound B. As we know that compound A and compound B will not react with the sodium metal. It cannot be an alcohol nor phenol.
Detailed description of the reaction of compound A was that when it was treated with potassium permanganate, followed by heating and acidification, which is in another word it undergoes oxidation, benzoic acid was produced.
So, 1-phenyl 1-methoxymethane was the compound that we agree on, since the carbon atom that bonded directly to the benzene ring possess at least one hydrogen and will be oxidized to COOH, while other carbon atoms together with their hydrogen will be oxidized to carbon dioxide and water.
1-phenyl 1-methoxymethane fit the description, hence justify why we agree that substance is compound A.
In a separated experiment, compound B was said to obtain 4 monochlorinated structural isomers when a hydrogen atom in the benzene ring is replaced by a chlorine atom.
With that information, we came into conclusion that compound B could be 3-methylanisole and 2-methylanisole.
Wait, we are not still finished yet. Let's solve our mystery by identifying what compound D could be.
D was to have 2 monochlorinated structural isomers when hydrogen atom in the benzene ring is replaced by the chlorine atom.
Information of this compound is that hydrogenation of the benzene ring in this compound by using a catalyst gave a saturated alcohol that has stereogenic carbon, and carbon D also be found to give a colored solution when treated with iron trichloride in aqueous solution that suit the characteristic of the phenol.
Wow, big hint was granted! Putting all these clues together, we interpret the compound D as, firstly, 3,5-dimethylphenol, and the second one should be 2,6-dimethylphenol.
Finally, we succeed in figuring out the right compound for each A, B, C, and D. Yay! Therefore, if you have any other mystery, just call us the Big Brain Detectives.
Bye!